Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stubborn Love on ukulele, updated. Start by tuning to standard G/C and check your pitch with a tuner. Learn the chord shapes for C, G, M, and F, then practice switching slowly. Add a relaxed down-up strum pattern and count aloud. Build tempo gradually and record yourself to track progress, aiming for consistent timing and clear chord transitions. We break down the chord fingering slowly so your hands can learn the shapes. Place your ring finger on the 3rd fret for C and check each string rings clean. For G, use 3 fingers to cover 2-3-2 frets and ensure no muted strings. For M, position 1 finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and relax the other fingers. Practice switching between each chord smoothly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future lessons. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for carrying chord charts and lyric sheets when you travel, making practice on the go simple. I mention that because small tools can make learning smoother and more fun. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work on the rhythmic feel by counting 4 beats and keeping a gentle, steady motion. Start with a simple down-up pattern and emphasize beats 1 and 3 to capture the song's pulse. Keep your wrist loose and strum from the wrist, not the arm, to stay relaxed. Use a metronome or tap your foot, and only increase tempo when chord changes are clean and comfortable for consistent timing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.